Hey guys, me again. Today we have a RCA TV that came in for repair, and I know I might have said in the past that I don't like doing TV repairs, but this one actually is not so bad because, and I already, as you see, I already started taking it apart. Basically, look at the power cord. So this is the customer. They stated that the dog bit off the end of the cord, and I'm not making this up. You can see that it's completely gone, and this is the end now that I just removed that goes to the power supply. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this cable entirely, put a new one, put it all back together, and give it back to the customer. It shouldn't take too long. And the insides, I mean, it's not really anything fancy. I mean, I can show you quickly. Just gonna multitask here a bit. That's the insides. So there's a cable here that's connected to the speakers, and then that's just like the power supply and main board all together. So yeah, we're gonna fix this for the customer, give it back, and hopefully they have a working set again. And yeah, it's an RCA something something something. It's an LED backlit TV. So yeah, we're gonna repair that cable and we're gonna give it back to the customer. So let's see what happens. Change of plans actually. I ended up cutting off another cord, and I just exposed the wires, and same for this guy. And that is because on the original wire, let me just grab it for you here, this piece I cannot remove. I'm trying and trying and trying, and it's just not budging. So I'm not gonna break my head over this and risk damaging more things, and I'm just gonna patch it up and make it work. So that's what we're gonna do now. So I'm just gonna solder the wires together, heat shrink, electrical tape, and we're good to go. Okay, so here's the finished product. So this is the end that goes to the power supply, and this is the patched cord. So again, I wanted to replace the whole thing, but this cable snugger thingamajiggy is just not moving. So I know if I cut it maybe or something, I slid it and it opens, but I said, bah, whatever. I made it work, and it's not going anywhere. The connection is solid. I'm gonna put it all back together, and we're gonna power the TV, and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna go take this now, put it back in the TV, and we're gonna give it a test afterwards. So as you see, guys, now we have it. I just plugged it in and powered it on. There's the cord with the patchwork, and we have our working TV once again. So I'll just cycle the power again just to show you. So the buttons are on the bottom of the, over here on this side. So if I hit the power button, this turns off. Now if I go ahead and power it on again, standby light comes off. Usually it's red. And there's this RCA logo that shows up. So this is still working. And it's gonna say no signal, HDMI 2, pas de signal, which is in French for no signal. There you go, pas de signal, which means no signal, because we have nothing connected to the back. So this TV is repaired. There's a standby light. So if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Bleep bloop down in the comment section below. And yeah, just make sure you subscribe so you can see more content like this. And hopefully we catch you on the next one. Alright guys? Take care. Bye-bye.